Do not love these lips. I gotta fix these lips. Put some of this on that. Gotta burn all your rock records. Gotta burn all your rock records. Okay. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Bratterstein. Today's video. You know, I'm feeling a little sore, a little salty about it if I'm honest. Today's video is going to be my next installment in my Zodiac series, which is the Leo, and I have no problem with Leos per se. I do have a problem with the fact that this is my second time filming this video. Have a problem with that. So I actually filmed this video last weekend so that I could get it up last week, and apparently I never hit record, and I recorded the entire thing, and it came out so pretty. I'll put a picture here so you can see what you're in for, because I have to recreate that. Tell me how I'm going to do that. I don't even know. I don't even know how I did it the first time, to be honest, but I did, and it came out so cute, and then I realized when I went to edit it that I never recorded it. So I'm going to be re-filming it today. It's a bit of a pain in the ass because that purple shade stains. But, you know, you do what you gotta do. You do what you gotta do. So if you like this video idea, or if you're excited to watch it, or if at any point you like what you're watching, give it a like if you like, because I would like to know what you like. And of course, smash that subscribe button, become part of the Brat Pack. Put out new videos every week here. And I would love to have you hang out and be my friend, so do that. And now I think it's time that we just go ahead and get into this video. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see me recreate this look that I did previously, inspired by the Leo Zodiac sign, just keep on watching. I'm so paranoid now that the camera is not filming and I'm just like staring at the little timer. Okay, so let's go. So to get started, I'm going to take the purple in the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place here. It does not have a name. It does not have a name, but it, I believe, is the one that stains. I used two purples, so honestly, either of them could stain or both of them could stain, I'm not sure, but my eyes are about to be pink for 3 days. So I'm going to start in the center, right above my crease. Like I'm going like this and then I'm opening my eye so I can see where it's going to land, like that, so we get purple coming out of the crease. And I'm going to work that left and right, and we're going to take that in a circle shape, like a rainbow shape, all around the lid, because that's what I want. I'm doing like a packing motion as opposed to just sweeping, because I prefer that with color, because it tends to deposit it better and get you the brightest payoff. Now I'm going to sweep to better blend, like that. I'm going to slightly build up the color, but we're going to be going in with a darker purple next, so we'll build it up with that. Now I'm going to match the other eye. Okay, now that we have that purple laid down, we're going to deepen it with a darker purple and the smaller brush. Got my smaller brush. And for the darker purple, we're going to be taking Area 51 from the Jeffree Star Alien palette. And we're going to put that in the crease and deepen her up a bit. Starting again in the center and working our way out. I'm also bringing the purple on the inner and outer corner. Just like that. And to match the other eye, I'm taking a big brush with no product and I'm just sort of blending those together like so. Just like that. Perfect. Okay, now for the orangey aspect of this, because it's the colors of the Leo, which I didn't even mention because I forgot that I mentioned it in the previous video and this video, are purple, gold, and like a burnt orange. So, one second, I got some fallout in my inner corner. We don't need that. We don't need that. Okay, we're all good. I was like, oh, I can't deal with purple fallout. I don't have time for that. So, for the burnt orange aspect, we're going to be taking Creation from Old School Lime Crime palette. Such a good palette, such a good color. And we're going to take that and feather it over the edge of the purple. Yes. I remember when I did this last time, I was really worried it was going to be muddy. And guess what? It was not. It actually blended quite well. Just like that. So we get the nice separation, nice fade from purple to burnt orange. We're getting kind of high, almost to the brow bone here, as you can see. And to match the other side. Just like that. Okay, so now comes the part that I'm not very good at, so let's hope I can do it again. It's going to be cutting the crease to put that gold in the center. That is not what I'm very good at, guys. So I'm taking the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I use this for cutting the crease because the shades that I have are too light. I'm going to put that on the back of my hand. I'm going to dip my brush in. This is just a flat little BH Cosmetics number 7 brush. Good brushes BH Cosmetics has. And I'm going to hold my breath. I'm going to try to cut my crease. So I'm going to start in the center. I'm going to brush down. I'm going to kind of like open my eye so I can like let the color go up, and then I'm going to put my cut crease there. But I'm only going to be doing it in the center because it's like a halo cut crease. Is that the right word? Yeah, halo cut crease. Look at me. So professional. Real life YouTuber. Okay, just like that. Okay. Now I'm going to pat over it with my finger so it's not too sticky. And I'm also going to be blending the edges out into the purple so that when we try to blend it, there's not a blunt line. Ooh, yeah. Okay, now let's top it with some gold eyeshadow. So the gold we're using is out of the Jawbreaker palette. And it is this gold right here. Super, super pretty. So I'm going to take that on my finger. Okay. Blow on it so the fallout isn't everywhere. And I'm going to tap it on the lid. Yes. So pretty. I forgot that I used this palette in it. Okay, so now we have the gold down, and what we're going to do is actually take a little bit of the shade next to it, which is Bite Me, which is a dark purple. It looks really dark on camera, but it's like a brighter purple than that. One second, let me see if I can fix it. No, I cannot. So it's this dark purple, and we're going to blend the yellow into the matte purple with this guy. So we're gonna put it on the edge and just kind of feather the two together. Yes, like that. Perfect, just like that. And now, I'm gonna take the brush that I put down the purple matte shadow with, and I'm just gonna sort of blend through the crease, like pat over these edges and make sure everything is nice and soft. And it is, look at that. Oh. I'm gonna tap a little extra yellow, just, you know, to brighten it after the blending. A little bit of layering process, but there we go. And now we have the top of the eye looking pretty cute. I think I did a pretty good job. Did I do a better job last time? I don't know, but it looks pretty good right now. So now, to make the other eye match. I don't know how I'm supposed to do that, but we're gonna do our best. Right as I did that crease, my freaking alarm went off. So stupid. Okay. Okay, somehow the tops matched. So now I am going to try to do the bottoms. Yes, I'm going to do the bottoms with you. I don't know why I said that so strangely, but now we're going to work on the bottom because I'm satisfied with how the tops look. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so for the lower lash line, we will start by taking a black liner and putting it in the waterline. Get more and more comfortable with this every day. I wish I had like a dark purple. That'd be really cool, but guess what? I don't, so black it is. And I'm gonna run it a little bit low into the lashes as well. So weird, okay. And now we will top it with some purple eyeshadow. I'm going to take the brighter of the two purples because I just want to keep it bright, keep it tight, you know? So I'm going to go in with the one from Juvia's Place. I'm going to blow that out under my lash line, putting it on top of the black that we put between the lashes so it looks like a deep purple. Then fades into a bit of a brighter purple. Kind of connecting that to the outer corner there. All full circle, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Whew, felt a little weird. Put that in a little deep. Okay then, and a little bit. Okay, now to blend that out, I'm going to take Creation again, and I'm going to lightly dust it below that purple to blend a little bit of that burnt orange shade into the equation, which ties in all the colors of the Leo. As of course that is our inspiration today, you see. All you mystical, perfect Leos with your mystical, perfect lives. Beautiful manes. What? Okay, now for an inner corner highlight. Per usual, I'm gonna pop in a matte white. As you know, that has been my favorite over the last couple months. Just like that. Okay, so now that we have the eyeshadow portion done, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly put on some liner and mascara and lips off camera, and then I'll come back and give you the final look. So give me just a second. Okay guys, and this is the completed Leo inspired makeup look. What do you think? I like it still. I liked it a lot the first time I did it. I actually think I did a better job the first time. But I could be wrong. You can go to my Instagram, it's Bradderstein, you can see the original picture, you can tell me which one you think looks better. I still think it looks good, I just think I did a better job last time, but you know what? What's on my nose? What is that? But you know what, that's just kind of how it goes sometimes. Sometimes you're having a really fire makeup day and sometimes you're just not doing as well, but I still think it looks good. I just think it might have looked better before, but let me know. And let me know if you like it, and if you're a Leo, I hope you especially like it, but I do hope everyone who watched it liked it. And if you are a Leo, happy birthday. It's the month of the Leo. I didn't even say that in the beginning. I'm so thrown off in this video. If you are a Leo, happy birthday, belated birthday, or almost birthday, because it is your season, and so you are having a birthday. It's happening. You're getting older. The world is turning, and life is flying by, so enjoy it. But anyways, guys, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button, become part of the Brat Pack. I would love to have you here, and if you are the type who likes to binge videos, as I do, you can click on one of these over here, because these are videos I put up in the past, and if you click on my little face, it'll take you to where you can subscribe so we can hang out all the time. I think you should do it. I think it's a good idea. Thank you so much for hanging out with me when you could be anywhere else in the world, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.